Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Wormrot. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the mouth, starting with a curve across. Now from both ends, let's bring it up and out. And then let's curve it down underneath. And then let's bring both sides down to the bottom, meeting in the center. And then let's color the mouth in black. Next, we're going to hop out and let's draw a curve along the top on each side. And then let's follow it all the way down to the bottom. Now let's move back up to the top and let's curve it up on both sides. And close off the top of the head with a curve up and back down. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and draw the eyes. Let's start with an oval on the left side. And then a larger one on the right on an angle. Now inside each eye, let's add a large circle. And let's color the outer rings in black. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a circle inside each eye. And color these in black as well. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw a curve down and bring it up on the right side. And then underneath, let's do the same thing with a larger curve like this. Now top up on the right and let's add a curve out and back in. And a smaller one next to it. And 3 more, getting smaller and down as we go. And that's it for Wormrot. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!